Good evening class. Forum Pomit Life ke mai kai dagi student sing mutaram na okchari. Ai yang kopam Maxwell, general instructor Forum Pomit Life. Ai mamangi class ta topic ama tawgre ko. Topic se government haibani ko. Akoi government haibasi kaino ena aina explain tawgre. Government haibataragadi miyoi khara punjallaga akoi sarkar akoi state ko state government central government lai ko state haitare state sibu chalaigadaba ko miyoi khara punjallaga moina rule tawgadaba pot ko chalaigadaba state sigi kai amamal oi yengjingadaba jibu government ni ko government tawba kanda state amma laiba kanda government lai tabiade government tawbasi government ta yauriba miyoi haise group of people je kana no MLA minister ko MLA minister singna pullaga form tawbane ba government se aduna MLA minister singjibu kamaina koina khalli habado ko koina kamaina khalli habagi topic sini ai hoji mathang hojik kana tawjitoi ji ko election tawraga khanbani ko government ta yauriba MLA minister akhogi leader singjibu election tawraga khanbani election gi topic si haurasi topic oina first election in its own layer. Election haibasi karino haibaduni. What is an election? Election haibasi kaino. An election is a process where people choose their representatives or leaders by voting haibako. Election ji process ama khakni ko akoina where people choose their representatives or leaders kamaina by voting. Akogi mihut akogi leaders singjibu akoina khanba ko sigi khanba kamaina khaliba vote hadaraga khanba by voting vote hadaraga khanba gi process sibu election kawi ko akogi leaders akogi representative singji election tawrakanda khanba ngatani ko what is an election is a process where people choose their representatives or leaders by voting election gi makhal india da kogi india ko types of elections in India hai election gi makhal kaya laige ko 1 2 3 ahum lay ko India da election gi makhal ahum lay kai habano kai no Lok Sabha election number 1 da Lok Sabha election hai Lok Sabha election kai hai no to choose prime minister and central government hai Lok Sabha election ji kai akoina prime minister honorable prime minister Sri Narendra Modi ko and central government Prime Minister khanba aduga central da paleba government ko khoi central India gi oina India gi central government chibu koina khanbaji kari da makha poli Lok Sabha election gi manung challi ko akhoi gi central government amadi prime minister khanbaji second da kai state assembly election hai state assembly election to choose chief minister and state government state assembly election de kaino akoina chief minister akogi chief minister CM amadi state government khanbajibu state assembly election gi manung challi ko akogi chief minister amadi akogi paliba state government Manipur gi state government chi khanbajibu state assembly election gi manung challi mathang da kai local body election hai kai haino sida panchayat or municipality hana pi ko local body election hai taragadi akoina panchayat amadi municipality village level da aina ngarang mamangi class ta government ta ju yawgi bani ko village level da tawba election ni panchayat or municipality habasi panchayat election ko jilla parishad election ko gi jilla parishad pradhan madi member khanbaje sigi pot ta khalli basi local body election ni manung challi ko types of election Lok Sabha election state assembly election amadi local body election ahum lai ko mathang da kai haiba key terms akoina election tawba kanda magi terms khar lai ko maru oiba term hai tare ne mamming first da kai voter candidate constituency political party hai ko voter haibdi kai koina voter haibdi kai a person who votes haiba ko a person who votes voter haibdi akoina vote thadari ba mi se ko akhoi noi ko vote thadariba ngasai gi akhoi gi representative sing dubu khanba kanda akhoi na vote thadaraga khandoi na tro aduna akhoi na vote thadariba akhoi na namiba akhoi isaji sibu voter kawe ko 18 plus in India haibani kai haino chahi 19 chahi 19 chukadaba India gi oina di chahi 19 sudari vote thadaba yade ko aduna ma voter chingde ko 18 yauraba khudimak voter chingakani amadi 18 suraba miyoi khudimak vote thadaba yai sigi rights lei ko number 2 da kai candidate hai badi kai no candidate ma sigi candidate ni ma sigi constituency ji candidate ni kai hai bado ma sida candidate oina chongthore hai kai hai no a person who stands in election ngasai gi representatives to akhoi gi leader oido mi hutche ma jibu vote ai lepage vote ai vote ta thengnarani hana ma na chongthorak taragadi ma masa makse candidate hana kawe ko number 3 da kai constituency hai area where from where a candidate contests habani constituency hai taragadi mafam amakak ko area amakak ni ngasai candidate sina thengnaraktoiba mafam je magi jaga je ko magi constituency natana topa jaga da ma thengnaba yade magi constituency aina ma leigadamni haingang constituency manipur gi hai taragadi kundrapom constituency thangmaiban myam am leiko sigi jaga je area sigi jaga je dagi thengnaraktoini mana sibu constituency kawe ko mafam fourth point kai political party haiba political party kayana political party habi group of people with same ideas haibani political party group of people with same ideas ngasai political party gain hainai ko khoi manipur gi jo hai ko BJP ko Congress INC ko Indian National Congress dagi manipur da NPP ko National People's Party JDU Janata Dal United ko mayam am lei ko manipur gi India gi mayam am lei gre sigi political party hai ji sigi manung da chalini hojiki magi party maming BJP Congress kan hai ji ko group of people with same ideas haibani akhoi gi adu da yauriba political party da yauriba khoi group of people ko mioi khara pullaga punba mioi khara with same ideas chapmana ba wakhalon ko chapmana ba wakhalon leiba khoi gi chapmana ba opinion piba ngamba chapmana na wakhal chungsinaba ngamba je ko sigi pochi moina pullaga political party kawe ko hojik party kaiba na myam am lei ko party kaiba je kaino political party kaire kan haiba vote handa yara roi moi masen mo chana tre kan haiba je ngasagi same ideas haje sigi pochi yarak taba same ideas lerak taba si lerak taba dagi political party kaiba kan hainari doni ko sini voter candidate constituency political party sibu koi election gi key terms kharani ko mathang da kai importance of elections hai importance of elections to wana akoina kai election to wasina akoida kai kanai kari election to wasina haibani ko praja singda election to waje kai praja singda kai kana ba phangali kai tawi haibaduni ko first point democracy in action hai democracy cannot exist without election hai kai hanu democracy in action democracy ai previous class ta yawre democracy ko democracy habasi akoi gi types of government ta yawbani ko democracy chatpa leiba haibado ko ai ngara nahan haibaduni democracy hai taragadi akoina akoi gi representative khanjaba je ko akoi gi mihut people na leaders amadi akoi gi representative akoi gi leader khanba process akoi gi type sibu democracy kawi sigi democracy in action democracy je action ta honba haibani akoina election tau taragadi democracy lairani democracy jibu mathau pangthok hanba haibani aduna democracy cannot exist without election yaudana democracy lairoi exist taude haiba ko first point da haidise number 2 da kai people's voice gives people the power to express their opinion hai people's voice habi kai kholau akhoi gi kholau haiba ko people's voice people gi kholau khoi gi mioi ba mi singji gi kholau haibani khoi gi kholau gives people the power to express their opinion khoi gi kholau jina ngasai representative singdu da khoi opinion sing haiba ko khoi gi kholau lai taragadi representative sing da khoi gi opinion khoi ni si pa mi si to honingi ko si to honingde mayam ha haiba ji election tawbasina khoi gi people's voice se gi power express tawbaji utli ko number 3 da kai choice of leaders hai ko representatives leaders khanbaje election tawraga khanbani aduna choice of leaders election tawdadi leader khanba yade ko. Fourth, chance to change government. If people dislike the government, they can change it. Hai kai hano yamna interesting oiba point ni number 4 je ko. Chance to change government. If people dislike the government, they can change it. Existing government akhoi hoji government ama pale pan bajina government sina ngasagi people's voice akhoi people's voice akhoina akhoi opinion akhoina adu tau ada tausi ko government ta yawriba leader sing jida akhoina haiba kanda moina tabidraba akhoi opinion sing jibu moina inbidraba ya ngakpidraba haiba yadraba adu kanda bu akhoina election tawraga ngasagi to change the government chance ama pibane ba election tawbase akhoida ko akhoida chance ama pibani akhoida ngasagi government existing government sibu akhoina pamdre adu taraga election tawrasi aduga anauba government ama change tawrasi anauba lengak ama lahalasi haibaji election tawrakana pibane ba. If people dislike the government, they can change it haiji akhoina pamda taraga di election tawraga ngasagi government existing government sibu change tawba yai ko. Sibu importance of elections ki makha manung challi ko. Mathang da kai haiba election process step by step. Election tawbagi process lay ko. Election tawbasi kamaina tawi magi step to ni ko. Election chathaba sigi step ni hayak to isi. Announcement of election. Election commission declares the election date say. Akoi ki announcement of election. Election tawrani haibasi announce tawi ko. First ta Manipuri hantak February tabani ko. General Assembly election akoi Manipuri tawdore. February tai February ki date ma PDP grabani adubu announcement of election na manung disandri kayino habada just formality oina pibani adugi date to diko date si sida tawrani haibagi magi notice sama lakani announcement of election commission haiba body sina mana declare tawrakani ba sida tawrani haibagi jo khoi manipur gi oina ko sigi ju matam ama lakani yengsi ko si tawre mathang da number 2 da kai campaign chappa ko ai si marak ama thatke ko sigi number 1 jigi makha da sida yaudre aina sum noida knowledge lainaba ma khanghal loge ko election date se announce tawgrama matungda khoigi COC code of conduct aina ma tholakani ba election gi date se declare tawra matungda after 45 days khoi dumaina oibani ko code of conduct aina ma tholakani code of conduct haije kaino code of conduct hai taragadi ngasai aikoigi conduct tawba habiti conducting body conduct thabak ama kauramba ko thabak ama launi tawramba andagi magi thabak ama tawramba work ama tawramba magi si government ki menoina ko government ki work singjibu aikoina election gi date se announce tawramba matungda di ngasai code of conduct la e kan haiba taragadi ngasai gi kauramba thabak sing je loinamak sis tawdoini ko sis taw habiti loinamak stop tawba lephan doine ba sis tawba ko loi lephalani ngasagi transfer tawba khotpa andudagi suspension order mama na police officer gi mam lei ko officer mayam gi mama si singji loina mak amta tawba yadre ko except khara yai yabasi kamai tawi ngasagi tawda yadaba pot khara leiramba dagi ngasai hojiki in the context of war ko war tawba kanda magi police officer jibu sigi mafam tha daba yadre ama tawre ko maraksta war tawrak taragadi siuma matang lakpa taragadi ngasagi code of conduct se exception lei ko siji election commission jina mangwanda che tharaga si matangdadi magi exception je piraga adumati yahan ba khotpa khara lei ko adubu yam tangna thoe yam rare oiba case ni ko. Number 2 se haido campaign chatpa haibudu candidates ask people for votes habani masai lep ka daba candidate sing jina khoi gi miyoi khoi da ko vote thada biu ina chatpa je si campaign chatpa koi ko vote khoma chatpa kain haibudu ko masai announcement of election date se declare tawra matungda campaign chatpa horani. Third chubuda kai filing nomination papers files at office hai filing nomination masagi vote lepcharage ai antaki election jida ai thengnarani ai mayam gi leaders ama oina thuani representative oirani haiba kanjima nomination papers file tawbaina ko magi vote jida lepani haiba gi nomination paper file tawgadabani office ta election commission office ta ko si file tawgadabani ma tawsi file da kogi magi paper size candidate amagi paper se magi details mayama magi educational qualifications magi family members ko magi salaries magi income mayama malai ko sima mayam loina ma content torok to ni sigi nomination paper sida ko si mayam si thagat to ni man office sida ko. Fourth subda kai checking nomination papers of candidates scrutiny ngasai election commission leiriba officer jina scrutiny na ma chatharakani ngasai gi candidates na nomination papers je file tor matung da mana ya de ma bhole pa yani yaroi candidate se ko magi background kari kara lei ma fake oibra khotbra tokchna bra ko maji bot lepa yani yaroi haiba je sida scrutiny haiba pot se chathadoi sigi process se ko scrutiny chatharani chi manung da kai matung da kai withdrawal of nomination hai ko scrutiny chathara matung da withdrawal of nomination hai na matam khara pi gani ba candidates withdraws his or her nomination hai bani akoi withdrawal hai di kai withdraw tau ba hai do ko withdraw tau ba hai tari thangjil lurba khongthang hantorak pa kain hai du ni ko thangjil lurba khongthang je hantorak toine ba withdraws tau ba hai di ko aduna ma vote lepani na changu ba se koi na ma withdraw tau jare hai ba gi matam khara pi ye ba si je ko sigi process se ya holli election ki process ta ma vote leparoi khotlaroi ai hoi magi ko example oina hairabada magi family dan kanoma threat ama lakpagumba adum mayam ama le India ki context adi ko ngai threaten tawdana pisa pi dana ko ai nang vote lepa anu ai oina lepa ai thung kara ge ko kro tara pi dana kro yang khai pi dana India ki diam chong chong na ko singba mayam ama le sigi pochi toksan ba or magi masa nungai raktaba khotaba mama ma adudi mimi du ki makha pole ko sigi pochi lai taragadi mana masagi election je tawjing da masagi nomination paper ama masai mana pisali do withdraw tawjare hena process ama chathagani ko mathang da kai voting day hai bani withdraw tawdra taragadi ma withdraw tawningdre khotre hatari si kan thokhani ko si yawra roi vote che lepe ma je vote lep taragadi mathang da kai lakani voting day people vote using EVM or ballot papers hai ko tiyengsi people vote using EVM or ballot paper. EVM haibadi electronic voting machine haibako. Electronic voting machine haibani. Sida ure ko mangda. Sigi pochini EVM haiji. Vote numitta akoina EVM amadi ballot papers haiba. Sida yaure ko ballot papers thadaba. EVM machine na sida magi party ki symbol party ki maming loi le ramani misak to ki maming ko ngasa candidate sing ki maming sida ikoina magi machine ni si je ko sida akoina vote press tawraga akoina apama candidate tu khandori bani ko sida process ama lere ngasa ki ballot paper haijina sigi paper sida akoigi candidate tu ki maming kano tawraga iraga aikoina pami ba candidate tu iraga thadaram doini ko sigi process ama sigi voting day no mitta akoigi vote taw no mitta tawi ko mathang da kai hairiba counting of votes habani vote hadara matung da vote count tawrani ko kanana heli kanana watli ko kanana heli hende do votes are counted vote masing thire vote masing thire mana heli mana hende sigi parties na heli hende naindarani last result ko vote numitta counting of vote tawon numitta ko gi result se jodum thoi ko hojik ti yamna process se machine gi no matam computer gi matam ni na loina yamna thuna result so haidok pangame ko winners is declare haibani masagi result to amatung da magi winners ko ngamana kam ngamme mana kare habi declare tawrani sigi process se election process announcement of election campaigning filing nomination scrutiny voting day counting of votes and result ko values of election hai values of election na ma yarame kai hai no vote is right and responsibility first point the vote is right and responsibility vote haibasi akoigi hak amani akoigi right ko amadi akoina tawdaba yadaba thawdang neba vote thadaba vote tawba haibasi ko election je akoina vote thadadoi natro vote thadaba se akoigi right amani amadi tawdaba yadaba thawdang ni haibani ko sida aina ma hainingi je every vote sida ju yaure ko election should be free and fair hai free and fair number 2 the origin aina have it explain to raken khali ko free and fair oiba haibani free and fair oiba makhong tekpa mi ama ko differently able oiba person amaga yam ina yam khunba India ki context ta hairaga di Mukesh Ambani ko Adani myam ama lei ko moiga vote thadaba chap mane vote ki value di chap mane ko aduna free ohengadabani and fair oigadabani election ji haibani ko makhong tekpa sagi differently able oiba miduga ina yam khunba mi khakka vote thadaba cha mana doini vote ki numi sidati election numi sidati ko no bribery no force no cheating dhamka tauba bribery habadi ko kihan khongan na tauba no force athaba yade election tauba no cheating koina cheat tauba yade vote ta ko sigi mayam sibu tau taragadi ngasa election gi process election tawri sigi value laite value yaudi magi ko aduna values of election gi manung chanbadadi ngasa gi dhamka tauba force tauba threat tauba amata ko kihin khong tauba degi magi cheat tauba tausan nabo khopa sing amata yade election process ta ko every vote is important hai last point ne every vote is important vote khudima maru oi vote khudima maru oi kai haino vote khudima maru oi vote numitta thada bakanda vote khudima maru oi habasi example oina harabada masai candidate ani lepe ko candidate ani lepe amana vote ama khatang helaga kagre ko ama khatang helaga nang na sa thada hodabadagi ko nang na pami ba mi je leire nang thada hodreba ama adu ka do leire na nang mangjare aduna nang na pamda mi duna kagre adudi every vote nang na sagi vote khudimang se important oitra dude nang na sa vote ta ama khatana helaga ka ba haije yawi ko india du yaw grabani ko sigi vote se ama khatana helaga ka ba haibani na every vote is important ko adumba mayam ma lei manipur akhogi manipur da hojik general election ju hodore ko general election hodore ngasaina haibet haire february dagi horani ko manipur gi oina ngasaina mamang da constituency aduda na yam yawke to mafam area ko manipur gi context ma sam tang sum haibet novel knowledge oina ba hayoge manipur da there are 60 constituencies in manipur ko haibet khango ko kona chauna manipur gi topic oina ma tawsi ko 60 constituency laiba manipur da ko hojiki haingang khundapam thangoi ke am lei bo 60 constituency sida 60 constituency sida 40 amadi ko 40 amadi manipur valley gi neba 40 amana ko manipur valley gi ni 40 amana remaining 20 is na hills area and high hill district singi ko sigi je hayeng kona nei na raksi sabe thangau na baina habani ko manipur da 60 constituency lei 40 amadi manipur valley hogi tampak ta lei riba singini amadi 20 amana hill area hill district ta lei ba singini ko manipur gi oina conclusion ama pyramid conclusion election gi conclusion ji kamaina pyramid no election is the foundation of democracy it gives power to the people to choose their leaders election is the foundation of democracy election ji khoi gi democracy ko khoi gi mihut khanba khoi prajana mihut khanba haibadu adugi democracy gi foundation ama khakni ko yaudab sunya ya de ma foundation leit taraga de khoi yumam sabada foundation ling haudre ko foundation leitre hai tare yum kamaina yum do dum ninga hairak ta ni ko foundation ama ling handaba ya te duna election si democracy gi maru yamna oiba foundation ama khakni ba election gi process se ko election yaudaba ya de democracy hinghange democracy exist to hange hai taraga di election yaudaba ya de it gives power to the people to choose their leaders sai it gives power to the people to choose their leader masai ena habaduni khogi miyoi prajada power piyeba election tawbasina akhoi power pi kai power masai khogi apamba akhoi praja ko akhoi sorry akhoi representative akhoi leader sibu akhoi da khanba yabagi power ma pi election jinga sai ena habadu masai election gi magi process magi value elai magi process yawe ko power a good citizen always values voting and support fair elections habani aphava citizen ama oi bataraga di ngasai gi voting gi election gi kano mayam sibu yamna thawai hakchang yauna khanjagani phana tawrakani and support fair election ngasai sida yawri baje bribery the cheating ko free and fair ohenba khotpa jibu yamna value lai oina khanjagani good citizen aphava praja ama oi bataraga di habani cost yawri se sida loire aina knowledge ama oina kano ma hayoge america gi president hana oiramba ko america gi united states of america magi president hana oiramba koigi abraham lincoln ko mana kai harami for the people by the people of the people haibani of the people by the people for the people haib sorry sigi poche kai haino of the people by the people for the people election ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ or government ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ of the people by the people for the people ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ context ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯃꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ election ꯒꯤ process ꯂꯣꯏꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠꯇꯪ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯝꯒꯦꯀꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯈꯟꯖꯕ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯠꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯈꯟꯖꯕ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯠ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ opinion ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯇꯧꯍꯜꯂꯛꯅꯤ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯈꯟꯖꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ election ꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯆꯜꯂꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ election ꯒꯤ process election ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ government nahan tawgre election gi manung da chalakpa ngatani ko election kaino khangbire types of election yaure key terms khar lai election gi importance of elections ko election process khange election values of election aduna sa yaure ba values mayam magi process mayam gi manung da chalakpa singje ko kamaina tawi akoi प्रजा अमा ओइना को अफाबा सिटीजन अमा ओइ तारगदी हुजिक इलेक्शन जो लाक्तोरे मणिपुर गी को अदुना अखोगी अपाम्बा अखोइना फनी खनबा कैंडिडेट्स को येंगदबनी लोइनामा को पैसाना चटपिगनु पैसाना चटपसु यारोय को इलेक्शन तोबा कांदना पैसा चलुबदगी पैसाना चलुबदगी ngasai सोइरिबा मयाम अमा अखोगी तमक तौरक्त्रिबा मयाम अमा यावे को सिगी पोचिने लोइनामक सोइरक्तोइनी अदुना अफाबा लाइक लाइसु हैबा अमदि थबक तौबा ngamgadaba को सिमा मयाम जे लोइनामक अखोइना हुजितगी ऑब्जर्व तौबा हौरदबनी को होजि मतम खरदा ngaire मणिपुर गी जो कैंपेन चपा हौर अमनी हौरे वोट की डेट लाउथोअनी कुइरारोय को फेब्रुवारी हैबनी को एलेस 10 to 11 months मुक्ता ngaisel abani हुजिकसे को अदुना सिगी पोचे मयामना स्टूडेंट सिंगना जु फजना खल्लो इलेक्शन तौबा हाइजे इलेक्शन जे क्वाइदगी मरु ओइबा प्रोसेस अमा खंगनी अफाबा सिटीजन अमा ओइना इलेक्शन तौदा याउदबा यादे वोट थाददबा यादे को ओके मथंगी क्लास अनोबो टॉपिक अमा मु नैनासी ngasi gi election gi topic se sida lotion ge ko thank you